Hello, welcome to iCADTUTOR channel. I am very excited to have you here. Certainly you have seated to watch this video in order to learn Sweet Home 3D software, which helps you draw the plan of your house, arrange furniture on it, and visit the results in 3D. This tutorial is the first part of Sweet Home 3D software tutorial series. In this part, firstly, we will have a brief introduction about tools. In the next steps, I will teach you how to create a wall, a room, and a floor. In this tutorial, I will focus on important things, and so I will not stick to some unnecessary points. Please stay with us if you want to be a professional in Sweet Home 3D. Well, now I start with a brief introduction. Let's go. Okay, as you see, actually this software includes four main sections. Models section, that after modeling we will use them for decorating purposes, and tools section, that we will use them in order to create walls, rooms, and floors. And in this section we will create a 2D plan of a house. And this section is for 3D preview. Before I start the tutorial, there is an important point that you should note that. First of all, please tap the like icon and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. At the end, tap the notification bell. If you don't follow these steps, you will not learn this software. Thanks for your subscribing. Well, let's start. First of all, based on your need, you should determine that you want to use metric or inch. Now we want to specify the drawing units. Go to File menu, click Preferences. Here you can choose the unit. I choose centimeter. You can choose meter or inch or other units. And these are some guide tools that you can activate or deactivate them. Here we can specify wall's default thickness. I want it to be 8. Oh, I made a mistake. I clicked on the enter, which I shouldn't. Here is the wall's height. Here is the floor thickness. Okay, let me check. Alright, everything is okay. I typed 254 walls height. Okay. Okay, at first we start with create wall tool. Using this tool, we will be able to create walls. I click on create wall. This dialog box shows us how to use this tool. I want to start from 0 coordinate. You are free to start from another point. Click to specify the first point. You can specify the line length by moving the mouse position. Then click on the end point that you want. But there is a simple way. Just click on enter and type the line length. I want it to be 600 centimeters. And then press the page down key on keyboard to edit the angle. I want it to be 0. Again press the page down key and type wall thickness. 600 for wall length. At the end press the enter key. And for the width I want it to be 300. Enter. Here you won't need to type the line length. And since I have a guideline that these two lengths are equal, click, again click, press escape key, it's okay. Now I want to draw a line that starts exactly from 0, 0. So what should I do? Just right click on the line, modify walls, set the start point on 0, 0. Okay. For a horizontal line, set the y coordinate of the endpoint on 0, so right click, modify vals. Type 0 for y coordinate of the endpoint. Alright, it's okay. How is it going? If you want to draw an angled wall, click on the create wall. Click to start drawing a wall. Here you see an arithmetic sequence with the common difference of 15 for angles. I want to draw a line 200 centimeters length, so I type 200. For other angles such as 8 degree or minus 8 degree, you should type the degree unit and enter. Alright, it's our angled wall. So great. My friends, you see how easy it is. Okay, very nice. Also, if you don't want to type the angle, you can hold down the Alt key and choose each angle you want. As you see, click OK. If you wanna zoom in or zoom out, hold down the Control key and use the mouse scroll wheel. If you don't hold down the Control and only use the mouse scroll wheel, it only scrolls up and down. Okay. Now we want to draw a curved wall. Click on the Create Wall tool. Let me delete this. It makes me nervous. Click on the Create Wall tool. Choose the start point and the end point. Then press Escape key. We have two ways. First way is selecting the wall and dragging the center of the wall upward or downward. Okay, also you can set the arc extent. Upward, downward. In the second way, create wall tool, start point, end point. I want it to be different shape. Now we should hold down Control key and choose the end point by clicking. You can move the mouse position and set the arc extent and click. If I want to draw a round wall, so then what should I do? Don't worry, I'm here. Let me delete this. Again, create wall tool. Okay. Choose the start point. Before choosing the end point, hold down the Control key. Choose the end point by clicking. Oh, let me do again. Start point, hold down Control key, so then double click on the end point to create a round wall. Again, hold down the Control key and double click on the start point. It's okay, here is the round wall. Press Escape. Very easy. Nice. Yes, I'm sure. Let me finish my work with this rectangle. I think the length of the rectangle is short and I want to lengthen it. Click on the Select Object tool. Now select the wall, click and drag. You see it goes up and down. In order to activate the magnetism, hold down the Shift key and drag the wall. Okay. Now I wanna delete the wall. To do so, click Select Object, select the wall, press the Delete key. Hold down Shift key and select the walls and delete. Undo by Ctrl Z since I need this rectangle. Another thing about the walls is the modify wall tool. So select the wall or walls, right click, click on modify walls. Here I want to change the wall height to 300 centimeters. I will teach the patterns later. Also, I can change the thickness to 12. Okay. Here you see the changes. Also, for rotating, hold down the left mouse button, then move the mouse. In order to zoom in or zoom out, use the mouse scroll wheel. Hold down the shift key in order to splitting up. The walls modifying is complete and you see the difference in walls thickness. Well, please note that I will teach you the textures in the next sessions. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the notification bell. Okay, I think there is nothing special left about the walls, although it's not complete yet. You see that now you can draw an interior wall using the same method. For example, here I create a bedroom. I know that it needs a door, which I will teach you in the next sessions. Okay, now we want to draw a floor. It's very easy. I click on the create room tool. Here I want to draw a floor. So double click and it's done. Again double click, you see how easy it is. Also you can use another way in order to create a floor. Click the start point, now press the enter key and I type 400 for the length. Again press the enter key. The next length, I want it to be 300. Here you see the guideline. Enter 400. And OK, press escape. Now it's my floor. Now I need the walls for my floor. For this, click on the create wall tool and double click on the floor. The walls are created. If you want to change the wall setting, click on select object, select the wall, right click, modify walls. Here you can set the wall specifications, start point, end point. Okay, nice. Now suppose I draw a wall. Let me delete these. These are on my nerves. Suppose I draw a wall. And as you see, I draw another wall. I want to make these two walls join together. Click on select object, select both walls, right click, joint walls. You see, extra lines are removed and the walls are joined. Oh no! Now if I wanna divide the wall into two equal parts, so what should I do? Don't worry, I am here. I will teach you everything, just stay with me. I wanna divide this wall into two equal parts. Right click, split wall. You see, great. Now here we can draw another wall using the center of the wall. Okay, it's enough for today. You see, I know everything and I will teach you everything. Just stay with me. In the next sessions, I will teach you textures, windows, doors, drawing floor plans, basements, dimensions, how to furnish, how to create second level, and etc. So it is. If you like and subscribe iCADTUTOR channel. This video was the first part of Sweet Home 3D tutorial series. And well, take care. Goodbye on the next session.